Hello, good day everyone. In this video lesson, we will discuss the reference angles. So first, let's review the four quadrant in the unit circle. So this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Quadrant 1 exists between 0 and 90 degrees. Quadrant 2 exists between angles 90 degrees and 180 degrees. And then for quadrant 3, it's between 180 degrees and 270 degrees. And quadrant 4 is between 270 degrees and 0, which is also 360 degrees. Now let's talk about reference angle and how to find them. So let's work on an example. Let's say if we have an angle that's 120 degree, what is the reference angle of 120 degrees? So first, let's plot 120. 120 degrees is in quadrant 2. It's between 90 and 180. Now, let's say if you have an angle that's in quadrant 2 that is between 90 and 180. The reference angle is equal to 180 minus the angle in quadrant 2. So this is 120 degrees. The reference angle is the angle formed between the point of interest and the x-axis. So keep in mind, this angle here is 120. So over here, this an angle measure of 120 degrees. 180 is from here to here. That's half of a circle, so that's 180. The reference angle is the angle inside the triangle, which is the difference between 180 and 120. So 180 degrees minus 120 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. So the reference angle is always the angle between the hypotenuse of the triangle formed and the x-axis. So the reference angle of 120 degrees, that is 60 degrees. Let's try another example. So 260 degrees. What is the reference angle of 260 degrees? So first, let's plot 260 degrees. 260 is in the quadrant 3. It's between 180 and 270. So this 260 degrees. For an angle in quadrant 3, the reference angle is gonna be the angle in quadrant 3 minus 180. The reference angle is the angle formed between the point of interest and x-axis. So keep in mind, this angle here is 260 and this angle is 180. The difference between 180 and 260 is equal to the reference angle, which is the angle that is formed inside this triangle, or you can use the equation for an angle in quadrant 3. The reference angle is going to be the angle in quadrant 3 minus 180. So 260 minus 180 is equal to 80 degrees. So the reference angle of 260 degrees is 80 degrees.